This is another basic Portuguese lesson, and today we're going to talk about part 3 of the lesson number 2. So we're going to continue talking about the consonants in Portuguese. And today we're going to focus on the letter R. So let's do it. In the examples in the screen, you will see some words that have something in common. What is it? All words are starting with the letter R. And this means that the R will be very strong and will sound something like h, h. Let's read these words. Rádio, rede, rio, rosa, rua. So if you want to say, for example, the famous state in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, you will say Rio, Rio. All right? So the letter R in the beginning of words will have a strong sound coming from your throat. On the other hand, when you have the letter R between vowels, the sound will not be h anymore. This will change to a more soft R, which is softer than the soft R in Spanish. So pay attention to the pronunciation of these words. Parar, parar. Please note that the first R is R, but very soft, R, R, and the last one is stronger, again, similar to the R in the beginning of the word, so pay attention. Parar, parar. Next word, parede, parede. Paris, Paris. Garoto, garoto. Vírus, vírus. Alright, so in all examples below, the letter R is between vowels and they will sound very soft. So now let's talk about the double R. Why do we have the double R in Portuguese? The double R makes the R sound between vowels sound like the strong R in the beginning of the word. So we had rádio previously, and here we have terra, terra. So it means that if we had only one R, this word would sound differently, would sound like terra, terra. So this is not how this word is pronounced. So that's why we need to put double R to make the R sound stronger again. So let's read these words here. Terra, terra. Correto, correto. Sorriso, sorriso. Cachorro, cachorro. Corrupção, corrupção. So let's compare now the 3 kinds of R in Portuguese combined with the vowel A. So we have in the beginning of a word, the letter R being strong. Rádio, rádio, rádio. And please note that it's not as strong as other languages that force your throat and make it sound like h. No, it's a bit softer, but it's still the strongest kind of R in Portuguese. Rádio. Then we have the letter R between vowels, and it sounds very soft. Softer than, for example, the soft R in Spanish. So in Spanish, you would have parar, but in Portuguese, you don't need to trill your R that much. You should say parar, parar. And finally, when you have a double R, it goes back to a strong R again, similar to the sound in rádio. This would sound like terra, terra. I hope this is clear, and the best way for you to practice is to repeat after me and try to say these words out loud in your home. Okay, so now it's time for an exercise. I wrote some words here, and I want you to group them in different groups of pronunciation of the letter R. in group 1, you will put the words that have a strong R in Portuguese. And in group 2, I want you to write down the words that have a soft R sound. Alright? So as a tip, please remember that the letter R in the beginning of a word is always strong. The double R is also always strong. And the soft R are the words with the letter R between vowels. Write down in the comments your answer and I will reply with the correction. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This helps me a lot to keep recording videos for you guys. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.